Sam has a workshop for digital textile printing. He owns 12 printers for sublimation paper printing and several heat press machines to transfer the printed sublimation paper onto fabric. All printers are busy printing the design onto the sublimation paper, which will later be transferred onto the fabric. But during the printing process, some problems occur, and that can be a waste of time. The paper can curl after printing and cutting. The paper can wrinkle if the paper is too dry or the paper ink load is too low. And when this happens, the ink will float and the paper will not dry in time. This can also damage the transfer design onto the fabric. The paper can scratch the printer head and damage the expensive printer heads. And if the paper is not dry before touching it, the ink will transfer onto your hands. So you have to wait for the paper to dry before applying the heat press transfer onto the fabric. And this slows down the whole process. But that's not all. The sublimation ink can permeate to the bottom of the paper, wasting the ink. All these problems add up to a waste of time and money, delayed deliveries, and an unhappy customer. So Sam is depressed, but what can he do? JD Sublimation Paper, which is a high-quality and stable sublimation paper. No more defective substrates, no cloudy patterns or blurred images, no curling, no wrinkling, no ink permeating to the bottom of the page. The high transfer rate and fast-drying ink reduces the waste to an absolute minimum. And production with minimum troubles and delays saves you money and earns you a bigger profit. JD has been manufacturing sublimation paper in China for more than 10 years and exporting it all over the world. JD has its own research center continually improving the quality of the product. JD developed the sublimation paper for high-speed printers like the Italian MS printer and the Regani printers. JD sublimation paper ranges from fast-drying, full tacky to MS printer quality. JD can handle the paper coating, paper cutting, paper testing, and paper packing. JD produces sublimation paper in all sizes: flat A3 and A4, roll 17, 24, 36, 44, 60, and 64 inches wide. Other sizes can be customized, with a maximum width of 126 inches. If you're not satisfied with your current sublimation paper quality or you require a more stable, high-quality sublimation paper, please email JD, sales@subtransformationpaper.com. WhatsApp, Viper, WeChat, 0086 1861 31 94 646.